Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have been trading range bound within 5700 and 5600 mark, and today it has again taken support at 40 daily moving average, which is a very positive sign for the markets, and now it is expected to hold on to the support 40 daily moving average and continue the upward move. The daily momentum indicator is still into sell, but as and when we start making higher tops, higher bottom on the daily charts, on the Nifty daily charts, the momentum indicator would whipsaw and give a buy signal. So overall, the bias remains positive in the short term and medium term both, and I'll be expecting markets to head above 5700 and 5800. On the hourly charts, this is the consolidation range which we are looking at, and we've been trading in this range since last 1 month. The support would be around 5550, 5600 would be the lower end of the support, and the upper end of the support would be around 57 and 5700 and 5730, which is a breakout mark. If we close above 5730, then the consolidation range would break on the upside, and the targets would be above 5900. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts on the positive have given a positive crossover, and I'll be expecting this momentum to continue on the positive side, breaking this consolidation on the upper end. Bank Nifty is again consolidating, same like Nifty, and it has again taken support at lower end of the daily Bollinger Band and also the 40 daily moving average, which is a very positive sign for the index. The momentum indicator is still in the sell side, but as and when we break this consolidation on the upper end, the momentum indicator would give a buy signal and continue this momentum on the upside and the positive side. The support would be around 11,200 and 10,900. That will be a very crucial supports in the very short term. And resistance would be around 11,685 and 11,800. 11,804 would be the previous swing high. If we close above that, then the new cycle on the upside would start. Stock specific action has been seen in Reliance, where it has been forming a flag pattern, a bullish flag pattern, trading below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which will be very crucial resistance going forward. The momentum indicator on the daily charts has given a fresh buy signal, so I think this bullish flag pattern would break on the upside and continue this positive momentum till at least 842, which is the upper end of the daily Bollinger Band. The support would be around 779 and 760. The resistance would be around 818 and 842. The second stock is BHEL, BHEL. The supports would be around 222 and 214. The resistance would be around 236 and 260. The stock has been rising in a 5-wave pattern, which is a very bullish sign for the stock in the medium to long term outlook. It has completed a ABC correction and also given a positive close on the daily charts. The momentum indicator is still into sell, but as soon as we close above 20 and 40 daily moving average, the momentum indicator would give a buy signal and continue the positive momentum for a new cycle on the upside. So overall, Reliance and BHEL are looking good in the short term to medium term outlook, as well as in the medium to long term outlook. Thank you so much.